Hey guys, it's me Simone, and I'm here, been gone. I actually want to show you a swap that I'm a part of. I'm just wrapping everything up, and I wanted to show you basically what I made. I have been busy. I always say that, but yeah, we've all been busy getting things ready. So I wanted to show you basically what I made. I was a part of a memory decks swap. This is my first memory deck swap I've ever done. I've done like junk journals, ACT cards, I've done Happy Mail swaps before, but I've never done a memory deck swap. So I found one off of Instagram. I joined it and we're supposed to ship this thing off. I'm getting close to the deadline. I've been just time. It just gets away from you. So this is a baggie. I wanted to include more, but I just didn't. I ran out of time. I couldn't make it in time, so I just kind of gave what I could. So the requirements for the memory decks card were that I'm gonna put like a backing tape on this real quick because I have like tape right here. The requirements were that you made a memory decks card, and then you made a sequence mix, and then you included your information on it. So this is my thing. The extra I'm giving them is this cute little sticker set. This is from Michael's. I got this a while ago, and I bought a few of them just for occasions like this. So I'm going to give one of these away. I've got two partners. There's 12 girls in total, and then 4 groups of 3. So I have 2 of these. I'll give one to each of my partners. And then this is the almost look like a card, but it's not. This is the little way I'm presenting my memory deck. So the memory deck is actually right here. Take it out slowly. Okay. So this is the memory deck. So it just says smile. I have this cute camera die I got from AliExpress over here. If you guys can see that. I won't make it too dark over here. And then I added some string to that. I have this Polaroid that came with the camera, and I made a little bit of a shaker. I have this cute girl I stamped out for this is a Hobby Lobby stamp. It's clearanced out. This is a smile die from AliExpress. I cut the backing in this vellum foil paper. It has like sequence confetti squares that are foiled on it, and then I just cut out this nice chunky paper from Hobby Lobby. A lot of Hobby Lobby in here. AliExpress and Hobby Lobby. It was funny. I just saw Craft Purge mention how she bought a bunch of paper because it clearanced out a while ago. It was like 30-40 cents a sheet, normally about $2 to $3. It was expensive, and so I finally used it. It's pretty thick paper. I'll show you guys it. It's really thick. It's 12 by 12. Yeah, you hear that? It's gorgeous though, isn't it pretty? I have multiple colors of this. I bought almost all the colors and almost bought everything they had. So I have that. I have some cute paper in the background and a floral cut-in that I did. I have those little all of those Tim Holtz dies you can cut into the paper, and it cuts a cute pattern. I put that behind it, but you can barely see it. I used some of these little gems, flat back gems from Michael's that I got a while ago. And then the back of the card just says my name, my YouTube, my Instagram, and then my birthday. That's pretty much it. And then this is what the little thing looks like. I have a gem here and this little embellishment die cut, and I just kind of use some of my paper. This is some Hobby Lobby paper from my stash. The reason I know that is because it's a single sheet, and when you buy Hobby Lobby paper, it's either Hobby Lobby paper or was it Joann's paper? I just want to no, it was Hobby Lobby paper, because if you buy Hobby Lobby paper single sheet, it always includes the pricing on the back and then the name. So it's Hobby Lobby paper, and then inside is some more Hobby Lobby paper. It's nice pre-swan. These are my secret mixes. I made 2. I think I kind of made these little pockets. These pockets are made out of a tag die that I just folded in half. Here it is. I just folded it in half and included it, and then glued it and put my secret mix in there. So some of the bits and pieces of the smaller sequins are kind of falling out of a small itty bitty gap right here. So I'm putting them in plastic bags to keep that from happening. And that's really all I included with mine. Oh, and I included this paper clip. And this is from Hobby Lobby, if you're wondering. I'm trying to find like the best way to squeeze her in this pocket. I should have made the pocket a wee bit bigger. I'm just scared her toes are gonna fall out. I might just glue her feet down. And I'm not talking, but I've been doing a few swaps lately. I've only had one swap go bad. Well, I got glue everything on because I got really quiet. I only had one swap go bad. It really didn't go, I mean, it didn't go bad. I didn't get gypped or nothing, but it went bad as in, it was my first ACT swap, and there were no real like rules for the swap, but I got mad because it's like my worst swap experience. I've done one before this. So you're supposed to make, I think we had a group of like, I was in a group of 3 or 4 people. And you're supposed to send our ATCs, and I sent my ATCs to the host. And I got really upset because, oh, and you send the thing, you're supposed to send cash to get your stuff sent back to you. I got really upset because she showed off my ACTs and her video showing all the people what they made and everything, but she sent me back my my ACTs with an email saying that she's not going to send them out because I didn't finish the back, which I was new to crafting. I didn't finish the back. The back wasn't finished. Like, it had some like ink on the back or something of the ACT, and she's like, that's not right, I shouldn't have done that, and it should have been finished off. Like, I should have glued an extra piece of paper on it and then wrote my name information on the back of that. And so because the back of it wasn't nice and neat, she used my money I sent her to get back my ACTs from my swap partners and send me back my own cards. And I was very upset about that because at that time I was still in high school, and that money I used to do that swap, I had worked so hard again. I used to walk a neighbor's dog, and so I was really upset. You know, that was 2 or so days. Sorry, you can't hear me. I'll do this one. it's not working? I'm confused. How did I wrap this one? This is how I wrapped it. Hold on. So yeah, I was very upset. I spent like $5-6 to ship it out, and then I sent her $8 to get the ACTs. I'm just gonna fold these in. I like the cord. Cool. I was just trying to see how big this one was. I'm going to use different paper because I don't have both of them to use. It's fine. I'll just use some wrapping paper. So yeah, I was very upset because I was supposed to get, how many was I supposed to get? 5? I forgot. It was like a 3, 4, or 5 person, you know, group or whatever. And so what ended up happening is she sent me a message. So hold on, I'm gonna undo some wrapping paper and now I'll talk. I don't want to put too much tape down because the host is going to open this up to show it. So I don't want to use like any strong tape that's going to cause it to rip. So that's why I really don't want to use tape. Okay. And this ribbon, if you're wondering, this ribbon is actually from Dollar Tree. It's ribbon tape. That's what I'm supposed to say. I'm not cutting it off camera because I can't fit the wrapping paper on camera. not flat. It might be flat. It's like way too much ribbon tape. I'm going to cut some of this off. It's okay. These are the two. Why is one bigger than the other? I just noticed one's bigger than the other. I don't know, they're the same. What I do want to do though, I'm going to include a bunny under the ribbon, and I'm going to include their name on the bunny. So I'll do that. But as I said before, I'm like really excited to get the swap underway and everything, and I'm going to cut the bunny out. It's a steel roll die, so I'm going to cut that out, put it right here. I just have a spare one on my hand, and I think I don't think I'll cut it out in scrapbook paper. I think I'll just cut it out in like a solid paper, and I may do some like inking or splattering on it or something, put like a glossy finish on it, maybe use some of my Nouveau paste or something like that to go over it, give it some kind of like pop, but still you can read the names. And I have to go on my phone real quick and pull up the names of my swap partners. So y'all have a great day, and I will talk to you later. Get crafty. Bye.